My name is Hannah Sharon and I'm an educator with L'Oreal Professionnel and Steampod's #1 fan. Today I'm going to show you how I got this quick beach wave look using the Steampod. So my natural hair is a combination of loose waves with a little bit of curl. I do have a little bit of dryness on the ends, but this is the result of just letting my hair air dry overnight. I did prep my hair with heat protectant and a little bit of serum on my ends, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go for a loose beach wave look with the L'Oreal Professionnel Steampod. Setting up the L'Oreal Professionnel Steampod is super easy. So step one, you're going to remove the detachable water tank and you're going to fill it up with distilled water. It comes with this easy to use little bottle and you just fill it up to the max line, close it, and pop it back in using these little clips. Then you're going to plug it in and there are 3 heat settings that you can use. Now, like I said, I have fine hair, but I do have a lot of it. I find that 350 works really, really well for my hair. There is a 390-degree setting and a 410 setting. If you're not sure what to use on your hair, I recommend just starting at the lowest setting. And if you feel like you're not getting the results you want, move up to the next and repeat and so on. Now I'm going to show you what makes the Steampod so unique. So as you can see on this side of the tool, we have this wonderful comb, and right behind it, we have where the steam comes out. So the steam comes out in a microfine mist, so it's never gonna leave your hair feeling wet as you're styling. The comb is removable, but I find that it works the best when you use them together. First, what you're gonna wanna do is just section away any hair that you're not currently working with. I typically section it off the left from the right. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you pre-detangle your hair. There is this comb built into the Steampod, but it's not actually for detangling, it's more for tension as you're styling. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you're going in and getting all of those tangles out of each section before you use the tool. So when you're going in to use the Steampod, I've got a hot tip for you. See the little arrows here? They're gonna be your best friends. These arrows indicate where the tool should always be pointing. So they should always be pointing towards the ends of your hair when you're styling. And as you flip from side to side, it's as easy as just flipping the tool around. But you always wanna make sure that the arrows are pointing down. That way, the comb and the steam are hitting the hair before the heated plates. So I'm gonna go in with my first section, and to get that really beautiful kind of loose beach wave look, I'm gonna go in. I can take larger sections, which is great because I can style super fast and I get that even tension with the comb. I'm just gonna simply go in and I'm gonna start rotating the tool right away. And then I'm gonna kind of pull it down and out. And then I'm just gonna not touch the hair. I'm gonna let it cool for a second before I mess with it at all. Again, just gonna flip that tool, make sure the arrows are always pointing down. Go right in, and I start twisting right away, giving a little bit of tension, and allowing that hair to fall out. As you can see, like I'm taking a pretty big section, but I don't want to take a section any bigger than the length of this comb because that's what's going to give me that beautiful tension as I style, and it's going to help achieve those curls. So again, I'm going in, arrows facing the ends of my hair. And as you can see, as I start to work my way up the head, the tool is now more up and down versus side to side. I'm going to hold it at the end for just a second and drop that curl out. And I like to leave the ends a little bit straighter on some pieces. Again, just so you're not getting that like super uniform curl look, you get a couple of different types of curls as you start to move your way up. So for my hair, because I let it air dry and I slept on it wet, I typically get kind of a strange parting in the very back where my hair will split. And so what I do to alleviate that is I actually style this section in 2 different ways. So first I go in because you can see there's a lot of curl at my root. What I'll do, again, making sure the comb is facing out, always towards the end of your hair. So in this case, I'm gonna go up. So the arrows are gonna be pointing up. I go in and I address the roots first. So I go in and hit it just a couple times to make sure I get those curls out. And then I drop the section and style how I would style the ends. So that way I'm getting the roots nice and straight and I'm getting the ends with that beautiful beach wave. And then these are the money pieces. These front pieces are what really makes the style. I'm gonna take in there. I'm gonna leave the top part straighter because it's gonna give me a more dramatic effect towards the ends and give me almost that kind of faux curtain bang without actually having a curtain bang kind of look and a more dramatic swoop away from the face. Detangling my section so that I don't get caught. Going in. Again, leaving it straighter at the top before I hit it with a bend. Leaving the ends a little bit on the straighter side. Again, giving that nice tension for the smoothness at the root. So this is my final look, a super quick beach wave that I can achieve every single day. What I love about using the Steampod is I do get 24 hours of frizz control. And if I want to finish my hair, I'll just use a little bit of hairspray, maybe a little bit of serum on my ends to seal up any flyaways, and I'm good to go.